Honda announced again that several of their cars had to be recalled, aka recalled, because there were problems during production. Quoted by VIVA Otomotif from the official statement from the Honda Motor Company, millions of cars marketed in Japan are said to have to be taken back to an official repair shop to undergo inspection and component replacement. There are 3 different problems involving dozens of Honda car models, starting from the Honda CR-V, Honda Vezel aka HR-V, to the Honda Freed and Honda Fit or Jazz. The first problem is at the petrol pump, where the fan mount used to push fuel from the tank to the engine can change shape due to exposure to petrol. This causes the fan's position to change and stick to the pump body, so it stops functioning. As a result, the machine crashes, and this has been experienced by hundreds of users. There are 25 Honda car models affected by this manufacturing defect, totaling 1,138,046 units and representing cars manufactured between June 2017 and September 2020. The second case involved the Honda CR-V model, where the cables used in the battery on the hybrid type would still carry electric current in the event of an accident. The effect can cause the car to catch fire, but to date there have been no reports of this case. The number of affected Honda CR-V cars is around 20,000 units, which were produced from October 2018 to July 2023. The third problem involves more than 500,000 units of Honda cars of various models, such as Accord, Honda E, Odyssey, CR-V, HR-V, Freed, and Fit or Jazz. Honda discovered that there was an error during the braking system manufacturing process which caused the pressure on the brake pedal to be increased. There have been no reported cases of accidents due to the malfunction.